Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp here at Revive with the promised tips on raking positioning. The weather's getting nice, so everyone's going to be out working in their yards, and we just want to give you a couple quick tips to help protect your spine while you're out there working. So, raking is a very common one this time of year. What you want to do is, where you're holding the rake, you want to be in a nice split stance. So you've got a sturdy base, you want your feet about a stride length apart, so you have a nice support, a little bend in your knees, and then you're going to take your rake either this way or this way. The main key to remember with this is not to let the rake get too far away from you. I don't want you reaching like that. That puts a lot of stress on your spine. This split stance like this helps to keep less rotation through the pelvis. So raking here, raking here. If you do need to bend forward to reach a little bit, make sure you're hinging at the hips. So coming forward this way, stick your butt out a little bit instead of rounding your back. So making sure nice neutral spine. Bend at the hips, bend forward here, and then you can reach a little bit. The other key thing to remember is to switch sides. Every once in a while, just switch the position of your feet so your other leg will be forward. It's going to feel a little bit unnatural. People want to use their dominant hand in certain positions, but that's okay. We want to make sure we're wearing on the spine equally. This will prevent a lot of rotational injuries down the line. If you have any other questions about gardening tips, we're happy to help you out. If you do hurt your spine while you're out there working, let us know. We're happy to check you out here at Revive.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain, or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.